In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change keyboard backlight color ASUS ROG. Basically, this is going to be a little different for different models, but the steps are going to be relatively the same. The first thing that you want to do is to simply look for the FN key. Now, this is a short term for function key, enabling us to press quick buttons. Like as you can see right here, we have the mute button, we have something like fan and more. Now, on most Acer ROG laptop, you will be able to find the FN key on this spot right here. And then you want to look for the keyboard icon that has the light above it. This basically means backlight. Now with this one, as you can see, we have two different icons. For the first one, it is going to be relatively bright. And for the second one, it's going to be less bright. This basically means that lower brightness and higher brightness. If you press F3, this will increase your brightness, and if you press F2, this will decrease your brightness until you turn it off. Now, to change the backlight of your keyboard, you then want to look for the aura icon, or in this case, it's going to be F4. So just press FN, F4 simultaneously, but you also want to make sure that your backlight is turned on by pressing F3. Now, if you want to customize the keys individually, we can also do so by searching Armoury Crate on the ASUS official website, and from here you then want to download the Armoury Crate or the Aura Creator installer, and from there you will be able to edit out the backlight color of your keyboard easily. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.